Trees and plants provide shelter, food, pure air, and many other useful benefits to humans. Many indoor plants are believed to bring prosperity and good luck. These include basil, jasmine, lemon, sage, shami, lavender, etc. Researchers studied houseplants as a way to purify the air and observed that some volatile organic compounds are filtered out from the air by several indoor plants. If you plant this plant as indoor plant, is this really brings you prosperity? Is it will reduces the anxiety and stress and avoid arguments and solves tensions and problems? Which plant is that? Do you want to know? Do watch complete video. Hi viewers, this is Kumari. Happy to see you at Multitask on Fingertips. Today we will talk about one of the most beneficial plants that believed to bring prosperity and luck. That is, Scindapsus aeris is the scientific name of the money plant. Why we call this plant as money plant? Because its leaves round, flat, heart-shaped, dark green and plump, resemble coins. How many ways this money plant will be more beneficial? 5 benefits of money plant. We will see now. First one, purifies air. Feng Shui is a researcher. His principal says money plant has one of the best plants to purify air polluted with synthetic chemicals from furniture and cleaning solutions. It energizes the home by filtering air and increasing oxygen inflow. Placing a money plant in front of a shop corner or angles reduces anxiety and stress. Vastu expert says plants activate positive energy in our day-to-day lives. They recommend planting money plants inside the house as bring good luck. They do not recommend growing them outside in the garden, however. Next, what it does, acts as an anti-radiator. You will be glad to know that money plant is a succulent and acts as an anti-radiator inside your homes and office spaces emptied by computers, laptops and mobile phones. Money plants help in reducing stress at work, in protecting your eyes when you have to constantly glare at your computer screens for work. This leads to a happy and more productive environment as employee sickness rate reduces a lot. Its benefits are actually endless and may take a whole day if I explain in details. Keeping one plant near each computer, television or Wi-Fi router, it cuts away the harmful radiation from electronic devices, thereby protecting your family members. Third point. Next, what it does, keeps marital problems at bay. According to Vastu and Feng Shui says, money plant should be kept indoor in the southeast direction of the living room or hall. It is said that the southeast direction owner is Lord Ganesha and the planet that rules is Venus. So it helps in maintaining peace and a healthy environment at homes, thus keeping your marriage tensions and problems away and providing a positive environment, and it also helps in removing bad luck. Next, what is the use of it? It acts as medicinal benefits. Feng Shui experts recommend keeping one plant near the Wi-Fi router can avoid children at home falling sick and elder people getting heart attacks. One of the biggest benefits of a money plant is that it can keep your mind calm and release your stress. It also helps avoid arguments and sleep disorders. And he says, kept anywhere It will fill the house with prosperity and wealth. It can reduce your anxiety and sleeping disorders also. It brings a healthy lifestyle. So, place a money plant in your bedroom or a living room to avoid any mental illness. Last point, that brings prosperity and good wealth. As the name suggests, money plants are renewed to bring wealth and abundance to house. It is said that keeping money plant at home can help to attain great heights in both personal and professional spheres of life. Money plant is also believed to bring long lasting friendship due to its heart shaped leaves. But make sure that never place a money plant in the northeast direction, as it is considered as good place to keep your money plant, which can result is financially losses and also harms your relationship. Giving a money plant or its cutting to other symbolizes giving your wealth to them. House owners get more money or become richer if they propagate this plant using stolen branches or cuttings. For more interesting concepts and related facts, I need your support. That subscribe to my channel, and I will be back tomorrow with new videos. Until, keep watching. Thank you.